today I'm going to show you what I have been doing all day long since 8 in the morning. Just show you around what I've been planting, cleaning, tidy up. So let's start here. Yeah, so here, and I have, you could see I've already have harvest there. I have radishes, nice and beautiful, and I've got cabbages, red cabbages, green cabbages. I've got Brussels sprouts. Here I've got pak choy. Let me undo this. Look at this beautiful pak choy here. And here I have kohlrabi, which is growing really beautiful all the way down. Kohlrabi. And here, what's here? Oh, cabbages, more cabbages here, and more Brussels sprouts. So they're growing really nice. I'm going to cover them because I could see those white butterfly flying about to lay eggs. So this afternoon I'm just going to wear with a white mesh. So I'm so happy so far with my green leaves, and they're doing very well. Okay, if we move down there, and I will show you what's been happening. Okay, our next stop is spinach. They are doing absolutely beautiful. Let's see. You see, I already have harvest. This I've planted them maybe around 5 to 6 weeks ago, so I can actually pick them. So I will just go around and just clip on the outer, so we can have some spinach, and then they will keep on growing. And here, this one, the seed probably 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So I already have first harvest. I'm going to have second harvest, and they are really lovely. They are baby spinach, and actually I can harvest them as well, those outer leaves, and then they will grow. So here I planted those beets yesterday. I transplanted them from the greenhouse to here, and it's very, very hot here. You could see they're a bit like, you know, a bit lifeless, but you know, I've watered them. They will pick it up again, you know, tomorrow when it's a bit cooler in the morning. So I love beets. They are really delicious. And those one, so that will be a really good harvest, probably July, August. And now the weather is getting better now, and there's no frost, no snow, so they are going to just grow and grow with all my love. And I come and water them every day and talk to them. You know, it's good to talk to plants. Okay, look at these beauties. These beauties, all I did, just throw the seed, water them, and let nature take its place. So this is coriander. And coriander love cool weather, so I'm just hoping they won't get seeded or bolted in this hot weather. Look at this, and I can actually smell it. Oh, so beautiful. Coriander is lovely with rice and curries, and so probably in 2-3 weeks I will be able to cut them, and they will keep on growing. So I'll probably cover it so it doesn't get too much sun, because you know, coriander love cold temperature. So it's getting very hot here. Very easy, guys. All you do, just take a container, put some soil, throw the seed, cover it, and just water. And very easy, very, very easy. So yes, let's move to garlic. I've planted this garlic last year around end of August, September, and you know, they, look at them, they are so tall. They survive the snow, the cold weather, and hopefully I will have a really good harvest. So probably around June, maybe, we'll see how it goes, because this is the first time I've planted garlic. I'm so pleased with it, and we shall wait and see when the harvest comes, how much will I get. So far it's doing really, really well. Okay guys, I'm so excited to show this. This is parsnip. I seeded them last year around July, August, and I completely forgot about it. Didn't come out, and I thought maybe it didn't work out. But parsnip take a long time to mature, which I didn't know. I'm learning as I go along. so it survived the winter and the snow, the cold weather. And probably this started to come out maybe as from February. I started some sprouting and I'm like, wow, it's still alive. And look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. It's not ready yet, but surely it should be ready maybe in a couple of weeks. So I need to check, and I can't see anything popping up at the bottom, but it looks so healthy. And what I like about this parsnip, survive all the really terrible weather. And remind me, you know, in life we have trials, we have tribulation, we have problems, but you know, how do we deal with them? And when I look at this plant here, I'm like, wow, this plant is really strong, and it fight through all the cold weather and the trials, but it came out so beautiful. So I just want to encourage you today, whatever you're going through in life today, God is still on the throne. His name is Jesus, and He is such a good God. And the Bible says He's our refuge and our strength. So today I want to encourage you, just put your trust in the Lord Jesus Christ, because you know it's not going to last, whatever you're going through, because God is a good God, He's a faithful God, He loves you. And like my little plant here, you know, is flourishing now, and harvest time is coming. So you're just going around the corner, and look up and trust in Jesus. So I hope you like what you saw today. All these little plants I've planted. There's more to show, but we're going to stop here. So please comment and send me pictures of your garden, and I love to hear from you. God bless, and see you soon. Bye bye.